Hi everyone, today we will show you how to make one of our favourite salad recipes, Yee Sang. Every Chinese New Year we will prepare this festive dish to share with family and friends to welcome in a prosperous year ahead. We love this salad not only because it's super delicious but what it represents. Yee Sang recipe is very close to our heart and we'll show you how to make it step by step. First up, we're going to show you how to make the fried components. The first part is the wonton pillows, basically wonton skins deep fried. So use a pair of scissors and cut them up to small squares and then deep fried until they're crisp and crunchy. Watch the wonton skins carefully as they will cook very quickly and they could easily burn. Next, we'll deep fry the sweet potato. We've used orange and purple sweet potato in this recipe. Peel the sweet potato and then use a julienne peeler or a mandolin and shred into thin strips. Purple sweet potato is actually quite deceiving because it's actually white on the outside and purple inside. Add the sweet potato matchsticks to medium-high heat and then deep fry until they're nice and crispy. Now we're going to peel the pink pomelo and you need to remove all the skin as well as the pith and also break down the pink segments into smaller pieces. Next, we're going to peel and shred the carrot. We've used a mandolin again, however you can use a julienne peeler as well. Next, we're going to peel and shred the white radish. White radish actually has a high water content, so it's important to remove the excess liquid, otherwise it will make the salad soggy. All you need to do is give it a good squeeze after you've shredded the white radish. We will repeat the steps with cucumber as well. So you need to peel, shred, and then give it a good squeeze to remove the excess liquid from the vegetable. We normally use pre-prepared jellyfish, so all you need to do is just remove from packaging and drain. Wash and remove leaves from coriander. Finally, slice raw salmon into thin strips. Make sure you've got sashimi grade salmon because we will be serving this raw. Now we're going to show you how to make the Yee Sang sauce, which is based off a plum sauce dressing. So you need to add 5 spice, white pepper, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, lemon juice, and mix it all well until it's all combined. So let's plate. The key thing is to place different colours next to each other. We normally separate each ingredient into 2 piles so they sit opposite sides of the platter. First start with the white radish and then you add the cucumber, and then now we've got the jellyfish as well as the carrot, and then you can put the coriander on either side of that as well. And then in the middle we will put the deep fried sweet potato into a few batches. From there we add the pomelo, and then we've got pickled ginger. In the middle you put all the raw salmon and then garnish on top, which includes the fried wonton skin or the golden pepper pillows. And then at the end we finish with sesame seeds and crushed peanuts. And when you're ready to serve, you just drizzle the Yee Sang sauce all over the salad, get everyone a pair of chopsticks, and then you toss as high as you go. This is lo hei. Gong hei fa chai everyone! Hope you enjoyed that recipe. You can get all the details on our website, thedevilwearsalad.com.